Okay, so this is the LED mod for the PS3. This LED is actually installed as standard on some Slim PS3s. I have a CECH20003A. I believe everything that doesn't start with a 3 on that number are actually compatible with this system, but I'll be showing one for a CECH20003A. Yours may be slightly different, but I don't imagine too much so. So this is what it looks like. You've got a blue LED here. What happens is this will shine through the black top plastic. And you click the on button here. As you can see, it's changed to red. What will happen now is when I turn the console off, it'll go back to blue. And what I'll do is I'll give you a demonstration of the wires underneath here and how I've soldered it together. Okay, so this is how the wiring is done. And much like a face only a mother could love, I have soldering skills only a blind person could love. So please bear with me. The connector, so it will plug in here, is facing towards us in this example. So we've got 6 pads here. You're going to glue a wire to the top right and a wire to the middle. I've got them color-coded white and yellow here. So we'll follow the white wire, which is this top right pad. And down here, yeah, I know. And down here, you've got this black, I'm not entirely sure what it is. Somebody in the comments can say. It has like this little black thing here. Has a 2 connectors on the left-hand side. One on the top left, one on the bottom left. Bottom left gets given to the white wire, top left to the yellow. And the yellow wire on this side is just one left of the white wire there. And that's quite literally the whole thing. Just wire those 2 up, and then the mod will work.